On these instructions of Wasa Managing Director Saqib Raza, a draw was held to select 5 officers and employees for the performance of Umrah. A special ceremony was organized in the committee room in this regard. The ceremony was chaired by Deputy Managing Director Admin Shoaib Rashid, Director Admin Arif Siryani, Director Finance Javed Ghani, Deputy Director Wasim Baloch, and other officials were also present on the occasion. The 5 lucky officers and employees selected through the draw include Assistant Director Mia Maqsood Ahmed, Senior Accountant Adnan Ahmed, Assistant Revenue Officer Mohsin Nadeem, Pump Operator Muhammad Irfanullah, and Pump Operator Ali Hasnain. Deputy Managing Director Admin Shoaib Rashid congratulated the selected individuals and instructed them to keep their passports ready so that arrangements for their secured journey can be completed. Managing Director Wasa Saqib Raza stated that the selected officers and employees should offer special prayers during their Umrah for the safety of the country and the prosperity and development of the department.